The Business Relationship Management Professional Foundation Course. Course Introduction. Welcome to the Business Relationship Management Professional Foundation Course. This course will prepare you for the Foundation Certificate exam by giving you the knowledge and understanding necessary for success. In this introductory lesson, I'm going to give you some background information about the Business Relationship Management Institute and the BRM Foundation Certificate, and then I'll describe the structure of the course. I'll start by introducing you to the Business Relationship Management Institute. The Institute is a leading professional development and certification organization serving the global business relationship management community. It provides world-class professional development programs and advances the art and discipline of BRM to help maximize business relationship management capability in organizations. You can find out more about the Institute from its website. Just Google BRMI to find it. Its mission is to inspire, promote, and develop excellence in business relationship management across the globe. That will not only lead to outstanding business value for organizations, but also professional fulfillment of every individual member of the BRM community. But the Business Relationship Management Institute is not only concerned with business relationship managers, it is also outward-looking. It seeks to raise the profile of business relationship management by developing the awareness of how the BRM capability improves both business and strategic performance. To fulfill its mission, the Institute maintains a web resource, the BRM Interactive Body of Knowledge. This is used to build, validate, and advance knowledge and leading practices for all aspects of business relationship management. The interactive body of knowledge is available to all members of the Institute. The Institute provides a platform for business relationship managers to share experiences, exchange ideas, support professional growth, and enhance career opportunities. They can also contribute to the development and promotion of the business relationship management profession. Ongoing education and training are essential to the success of the Institute's mission. It provides a program of webinars and a training and certification program. This course is an example. Now let's look at the course. The Business Relationship Management Professional Foundation. It's based on the body of knowledge developed by the Institute, and the Foundation Certificate is part of the Institute's certification program. When you pass the exam, you'll get the Business Relationship Management Professional Foundation Certificate. The certificate is evidence that you have the understanding and knowledge to create an awareness of the BRM role within the business and the service provider. To assess the current state of the relationship between the business and the service provider, and to assess the maturity of business demand and provider supply. The qualification is aimed at business managers, service provider managers, business relationship managers, and consultants looking to gain an insight into business relationship management and perhaps looking to be certified as a business relationship manager, implementer, or assessor. The exam requires you to demonstrate three things. First, that you understand the characteristics of the role of business relationship management in an organization. Second, that you understand how to perform as a strategic partner, contribute to the formulation of business strategy, and shape demand for the provider's services. And third, that you understand how portfolio management disciplines and techniques are used to maximize realized business value. Okay, that's the end of my introduction. In the rest of this lesson, I'll teach you about the course structure. Now let's look at the course itself. The diagram on your screen shows the Business Relationship Management Institute competency model for the BRM role. This is referred to as the BRM DNA. The abbreviation DNA stands for Develop, Nurture, and Advance, a reminder that successful BRMs constantly develop and hone their skills, nurture their business and provider relationships, and seek to advance both the business and provider agendas, thereby advancing their own value and career opportunities. You can see that the model comprises 6 elements: strategic partnering, business IQ, portfolio management, provider domain, business transition management, and powerful communications. This course addresses each of these elements. The course is structured around 8 modules that reflect the main subject areas. Each module includes 1 or more individual lessons, which allows you to divide your study into manageable sessions. Remember, the ability to take regular breaks is one of the advantages of learning online. We've deliberately kept the lessons short so you can study in the most efficient way and easily return to areas of interest. The names of the 8 modules are listed on your screen. Click on each one in turn for a summary of the content of the module. Module 1. An overview of business relationship management. This module comprises 4 lessons. Topics covered include the typical scope of business relationship management, business relationship management competencies, and common organization structures. Module 2. Strategic Partnering. A business relationship manager is much more than an order taker of business requests. Successful BRMs demonstrate high competence in demand shaping, stimulating, surfacing, and shaping business demand. They are respected contributors to the business leadership team, earning a seat at the table to actively engage with business leaders and discuss future plans and strategies. BRMs identify how their products and services advance business objectives. This module has 3 lessons. The topics you'll learn about include the business provider relationship model, demand shaping, and managing your relationship with your business partner. Module 3. Business IQ. Successful BRMs speak the language of business. They understand their industry and the business drivers of their company. They understand profit and loss statements and balance sheets. Successful BRMs know how to assess the financial health of the business and use metrics for decision-making and to drive value realization. This module has 3 lessons. Topics include business capability road mapping, value management concepts, and the value management process. Module 4. Portfolio Management. Successful BRMs are able to prioritize and align the service investment portfolio with business strategy. They understand the available capabilities and services and work with supply management to ensure that business needs are met in the most effective and cost-efficient manner. This module includes 3 lessons covering the context of portfolio management, portfolio management frameworks, and portfolio management processes and governance. Module 5. Business Transition Management. Successful BRMs are highly skilled in managing the politics and complexity associated with large-scale changes. They understand the drivers of change and the interdependencies among all the moving parts. They appreciate intended and unintended consequences of project and program decisions. Successful BRMs work with business leaders to determine total end-to-end implementation costs and to overcome hidden costs and common challenges. Successful BRMs know when and how to engage organizational development professionals to assist with major process and organizational change programs. The module comprises 3 lessons. Topics include the fundamentals of business transition management, a capability model for managing business transition, and the transition network for orchestrating a transition. Module 6. Provider Domain Knowledge. Successful BRMs are well-grounded in the management disciplines of the provider they represent. They communicate and defend its policies and standards and understand how the provider's services benefit the business. They manage internal partner relationships, establishing a sense of trust, team involvement and ownership, and communicate urgency when needed to their provider partners. Successful BRMs understand the service management discipline, its processes and standards. They coordinate and broker services and suppliers such as enterprise architecture, solution delivery, service management, HR specialists. Module 6 has just one lesson. Its topics include defining a service and defining value. Module 7, Powerful Communications. Successful BRMs are masters of communication, listening, persuading, influencing, and shaping understanding. They communicate win-win scenarios, surface disconnects, and work to resolve problems. When needed, they can say no by offering meaningful alternatives. This module has 2 lessons covering the art of communication, the art of powerful questions, and the art of influence. Module 8, Exam Preparation. This module has a single lesson that focuses on exam preparation. It includes a sample exam and guidance on exam technique to help you get the most out of your sample exam and prepare fully for the real exam. To maximize your chances of success in the exam, you'll need to plan to spend at least 18 hours studying all of your course material. Effective study time should be spent using the course materials provided, including watching all the video tutorials at least twice, completing all the exercises and online quizzes, reading and rereading your study guides to maximum effect, completing your own study notes, and taking the sample exam that is also provided. Okay, if you're ready, let's get started. Module 1 is ready and waiting for you.